The Scottish Highland cow, also known as the Highland cattle, is a distinctive and hardy breed of rustic cattle, originating from the Scottish Highlands. Known for its long, wavy coat and iconic horns, the Highland cow is well adapted to cold and harsh environments. Their most notable feature is their long, curved horns, which are present in both males and females. These horns, along with their distinctive appearance, give the Highland cow a unique and majestic look. The breed has a compact, sturdy body and a gentle, calm demeanor. Much like the Highland cow, you too can weather any storm, face challenges with unwavering determination, and embrace your uniqueness. The world may throw obstacles your way, but like this magnificent creature, you are built to endure, adapt, and rise above it all.